Hey guys, welcome back to another Tool Review Tuesday. Today I'm going to review the DeWalt 20v Reciprocal saw, better known as the Sawzall. This tool is fantastic. Let's check it out. Okay guys, that was awesome. This tool worked fantastic. Basically what I had is I built in a new deck and I put in a beam. I needed to trim it now that the deck is all done and in place. I could only do part of it with the skill saw, and I finished it off with the Sawzall, or the DeWalt reciprocal saw. It's fantastic. It does not come with a battery when you buy it. Fortunately, I have some drills that are compatible that use the same drill or the same battery, so it worked fantastic. I didn't have to use it a whole lot, so I don't know the battery life, but I had a somewhat used battery that didn't last a whole long. I just swapped it with a new one and sawed right through my wood I needed sawed. Anyways, love the drill. I'm a big fan of DeWalt. Not getting paid for this. They've been pretty legit tools for me. All right, see you next Tool Review Tuesday.